rationalize the denominator of 3 plus root 5 over root 7 minus root 3. Now, how do we get rid of these roots in the denominator? How do we rationalize it? Well, what we have to do is multiply it but by what's called the conjugate. That's kind of a complicated term, but basically what it means is multiply by the exact same thing but with an opposite sign. So in other words, if I multiply by plus. And this is because if you have any number A and any number B, and you multiply these two binomials together, like we have here, if you FOIL it out, you're going to see it's just equal to the first number squared minus the second number squared. So in other words, this times this whole part in brackets times the whole part here in brackets, if you could just FOIL it out, but a simpler shortcut is just take the first number, square it, root 7 squared is just 7, minus the second number and square it, which is just 3. And so you can see now our denominator is rationalized. All it is 4. And when we multiplied by the exact same thing in numerator and denominator, so it's like multiplying by 1, and so it doesn't change the original expression. And so they're both equal. And then in our numerator, this is what we have, these two binomials multiplied by each other. And then, 3 plus root 5, like these two binomials all over 4, that could be your final answer, but perhaps a little bit more simpler is to multiply these out. In other words, FOIL it. So 3 times root 7 plus 3 times root 3 plus root 5 times root 7, which is root 35, and then root 5 times root 3, which is root 15.